my name is Svetlana and this is LiveAlgarve Realty. And today we are on Ferragudo, Algarve, fishing village in the past, and today is one of the most attractive touristic destinations. And I'm thrilled to present to you today this fantastic new built village, Quinta Heights, just minutes away from the town, 50 minutes from the international airports, next to the golf course and 4 minutes to the beach. This magnificent project, the entire village offers you comfort, style, convenience and proximity. 130 luxury apartments with the top appliances, with the outdoor private terrace each. It's 1, 2, 3 and 4 bedrooms apartments ranging from 58 meters to 149 meters square, with the underground parking spread over 10 low-rise structure and with the pool by each structure. So in total you have 12 pools, including the indoor pool. Owning these apartments will offer you a magnificent view of the Ferragudo town, ocean view from the south and peaceful Mont Montchique view from the north. A morning walk to parks and gardens in the complex will offer you an aromatic and visual ambience in variety of gardens and parks, including citrus garden, flower garden, or experiencing a culinary delight from a fresh ingredients from a vegetable garden for your favorite meal or drink. Even a mini vineyard is created for enhancing the experience of connecting with the best features of the Algarve. The village includes 200-seater restaurant with an outdoor terrace overlooking Mont Montchique, including a private dining experience and a tropical garden, rooftop tapas and a cocktail bar with panoramic views, coffee shop and bakery, and a juice bar to enjoy your favorite seasonal fresh drink. The village offers so many options for you to stay fit. A wellness center with a yoga studio, a state-of-the-art gym, tennis courts, paddle courts, multi-sport use facilities, a luxury indoor pool, jacuzzi and a cold plunge pool. And this isn't all, an outdoor cinema to enjoy a movie on a warm summer night. And if you'd like to explore the beauty of the night sky even more, you can do this with a 16-inch refractor telescope from the village's own observatory. And it's designed especially with the sleeping pods you can sleep over to enhance the experience. All these features make the living experience here in the village interesting, fulfilling, and provides exceptional moments to share with family and friends. On that note, I would like to thank you for taking this video tour with us. For more information, please click on the link below. Please like and subscribe. This has been Cheers from the Algarve, and see you soon.